Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Calendar on a desktop in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. This is the Google Calendar home screen. On the left side, you'll see your calendars, and in the center, you'll see your schedule. To create an event, click the Create button in the top left corner. Enter the event title, choose the date and time, and then click Save. You can change your calendar view by clicking Day, Week, Month, or Schedule in the top right corner. Use the Today button to quickly return to the current date. You can also use the Search option to find events easily. To edit an event, click on it and select the pencil icon. Make your changes and click Save. To delete an event, open it and click the trash icon. You can also customize Google Calendar by clicking the gear icon and opening Settings. That's the basic way to use Google Calendar on a desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.